In the nest somewhere, you'll find us.
It's Frigate. Frigate is where you're going.
Found it.
Rookie, you're going to Frigate.
Thanks.
Problem.
You're welcome.
How are you guys? Oh, that good, huh?
Well, I was gonna say I'm changing my magazine. When the pin is pulled, Mr. Grenade is no longer our friend.
Fine. There's nothing.
Huh?
Nothing to panic about.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I mean, I trust you, but I definitely didn't trust you there for a second. We have a lot of not people here in this game. We have someone, Seneca's ghost, a cheat
drawing,
a fucking a cheat code from StarCraft.
Ah, yes, I remember that show. I was alive when it aired.
Yeah, I know you were. Why would you shoot the door? It's uncalled.
I don't know. I don't know why he shot the door. I shot the man.
I don't know. Yeah, that's what you want to shoot the bullets at. You put the bullets in the gun, then you put the bullets in the man.
Saggy ass.
Go to war in jeans. That was a leap.
It really was.
Crouching tiger, hidden machine and gewehr.
I mean, that's how I'd act too if someone with an MG3 came crawling out of a hole.
I'm glad it actually became something.
We secured D. No. Okay,
Quick draw will save my life.
That's
Come on then.
Honestly, yes.
Come on. Green to green, dude. Let's go.
There's a traffic jam.
These fucking people.
I killed the gunner. There's chaos all around.
Get in the gun. Get in the gun.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Yes! You'll never take me alive! God. That is the way to stop me.
You went down like a badass, John. Idiot.
I'm the keeper of the tolls.
No, I am the keeper of the tolls. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. I am the keeper now.
Did you just say you're useless as a toll booth operator?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm operating a toll booth.
I heard
Well,
toll, a toll booth.
Brian, why
Yeah.
are you gone and your gun is left here?
It happened a little while ago.
I'm glad you saw that, John. Just whip around to see who's behind. Just a bad texture.
I don't know what just happened.
Yeah, toss me in a cabinet.
One IKEA cabinet at a time. This is black.
100.
100%. Down here with my buddy Banana.
Slav is a good idea. The Slavana.
Alright, this blackness is really distracting.
Now you know how we feel.
Welcome to
every time
2020.
You are not safe in that bathroom.
No, I really am not. I know, it looks like I have a bunch of bullets, let's find out. I had one!
Wow.
That was depressing.
It still works.
Let me kill you!
They got me.
All right then.
Sir?
Ready.
Get down. Get down from there. Get down.
200 blackout is really slower than the fucking AS fall ammo.
I'm gonna have to tell you to shave your mustache if you do not get down from there. Oh, you're
Where
still
am
up
I?
there? Okay, we're good.
Uh-oh. That's scary.
Enemies taking control.
Tim's got it.
That beat scared me. What?
Microwave got you.
God damn.
All right, well,
Honey badger.
it's just an assortment of things in one place. Oh, that is
It's
a
called a
requirement
gathering.
for us too.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Because with
Ooh.
I was really wet.
It really was. I have a plan.
There's a man behind you.
Oh.
My plan worked.
John.
Point. John, you need to get back on the point. Mission accomplished. I'm proud of you, John. Oh,
Not back there. Oh, that motherfucker!
Oh.
Jesus
That's
Christ.
amazing.
Hey, we made
There's a
it.
guy around the corner.
Oh shit!
Man is not your friend.
On point.
Cap.
Space up. It's over. We need this much.
Jesus, John.
I got him.
Yeah, you rearranged the fucking brickwork behind him too.
Someone in that building.
Fucking
No longer someone in that building. Hey.
Nice.
They fired 3 salvos, right?
4.
What the fuck killed me? Really?
Oh my!
Oh, there goes the whole point.
He literally ran up to Numbers guy and just dialed in his face, and he just stood there.
I tried.
We were outplayed.
Yeah.
Push, push. Break.
It's friendly.
Are you?
What happened?
Who was that? Oh, that was Tim.
I'm all top. West door.
Dance, fucking dance. Uh-oh.
Stupid thing.
Friendly down.
What?
What happened? Is the
Video
shed
game
of
logic.
power still viable?
No. It's better to
So
be
I
in the
actually have
house.
to go in the point.
Damn.
Oh, that's right. They don't let you
Molotov.
deploy.
Oh.
Oh god, that's right next to me. Okay. Thank you for killing him.